Aquarius, gawin na natin ang inyong general love reading for the month of March. Current energy check-in to all the way to the next 3 to 6 months. March, April, May, June, July, and August. Remember lang guys na ito ay isang collective reading. So, maaaring mag-resonate sa certain group ng collective and maaaring hindi mag-resonate sa certain group. Okay, so it only means na I might tap into your energy next time so you can check on your next month reading if that's the case. Okay, so simulan na natin ang inyong general love reading, Aquarius, para sa buwan ng March 2024. Current energy check-in onto the next 3 to 6 months. Okay, kukuha tayo dito ng 7 cards and then titingnan natin sila from the get-go as well as i-clarify natin ang oracle cards na ginamit natin kanina so as no para makuha natin ang buong narrative ng inyong reading for whoever will resonate on this current energy check-in for March reading onto the next 3 to 6 months. Okay? So, Aquarius, ang una mong barahan nandyan ang Major Arcana, the Chariot. Okay? And then, nandyan another Chariot, the Hierophant. Wow. Dalawang Major Arcana, no? Another Major Arcana, I mean. Knight of Wands, may court card ka dito. Sa ika-apat, nandiyan ang Page of Wands. So, dalawang court card, dalawang Wands. And then, meron kang another Wands, 9 of Wands. So, I felt strongly meron tayong mga dinedesire lately na medyo, sabihin natin mabigat, no? May struggle and may challenge. But why is that? No, I think at some point, no, may some realization dito, deeper meanings. We're looking for a deeper meaning sa connection na to. Okay, there are also some lessons na kailangan natin matutunan and chine-challenge tayo, no, spiritually, yung morally as well, kasi nandiyan ang Hierophant. May lessons tayo na dapat matutunan dito. So, I felt strongly na it's challenging in a way, in a spiritual way, no, yung ating moral compass. Napaka-question na natin. Okay, kung kailangan ba natin compromise or not, you know, these things. Nandiyan kasi ang Hierophant. And so, nagkaroon ng movement at some point, but eventually, no, we need to stop and reflect. For some reason, nahihirapan tayo or na-drain tayo lately. Whoever this person is, it could be on and off as well. Knight of Wands, no, nag-fizzle out and maring nandiyan ang flame tapos nababurn out, nag-fizzle out or nawawala yung spark and then magre-reignite uli, no. So this person could be, you know, curious naman talaga. It's just that wala sa point ng romantic love ang connection na to. Okay, so you want something deeper but at the same time parang yung energy is not on the same page, so it's draining you or either you or your person, Aquarius. Okay, so let's see, no, kung ano exactly ang narrative ng story na to. From the get-go lang, yun yung nakutuban ko dito. Sabi na ating intuition. Ngayon, ika-clarify natin. Ika-clarify natin isa-isa yung mga cards for Aquarius love reading, current energy check-in for March. May mag-resonate in the next 3 to 6 months. So, let's clarify. Okay? Para makuha natin yung buong narrative ng ating story. Alright, so yung Chariot mo, clarify ng flow. Andiyan na naman si Flow. Okay, si Rhea. Kanina yung water, diba? I mentioned about it. Tapos, ayan, lumabas ang flow. Okay, Chariot and Flow. Nag-match ang energy doon. And then, nandiyan si Gaia. Earth, sa Hierophant. See, kina-question mo nga, no? Yung stability and security nito. Yung kanina sinabi ko dun sa position 6 mo sa new beginning. So, maaaring related sa love, no? Kung maalala nyo pa yun, it's more like an advice, I guess, din as well. Okay, and prediction. So, okay, mamaya, explain ko sa inyo. Ang Knight of Wands, nandyan na naman si Forgiveness. So, may mga recurring card tayo at shuffle natin ang mga barahan na to as well. Lumabas si Gaia at lumabas na naman si Branwen. As for Forgiveness, nasa position 2 kay Knight of Wands. Maaaring yung first reading mo talaga, mas strongly related siya sa iyong love reading. Kasi yung position mo naman nandun si Forgiveness, diba? At shuffle ko yung cards na to. But anyway, I felt strongly kasi kinlarify niya si Knight of Wands. Ang Page of Wands, nandiyan si Humor. Okay? Nine of Wands, nandyan ang revelation. Okay, undivine. Alright, si High Priestess, yun sa traditional tarot. Kutub ko lang. So, like I said, no, the Chariot is a major arcana, no, galaw and flow, okay? What did I just said dun sa first reading mo? Huwag ka magpakastak, di ba? Kailangan ng movement. Nandun sa lessons learned mo, no? Or lesson na kailangan mong matutunan. Nandun ang water. And it represents also similar ang energy ng Chariot at ng flow. Okay, clarifier nito. So, ang sinasabi dito, if you're dealing with past relationship issues, no? Kung medyo masakit pa, or medyo may mga lingering residual feeling, learn to, alam mo yun, get out of it. Lumabas tayo doon. Kasi, yun ang sinasabi sa'yo. Okay? Hindi naman sinasabi mag-move on ka, but live your life. Pwedeng ganun eh. Mag-travel ka. Nandiyan si Chariot. Go on a destination. Tapos yung flow na to, no, yung ebb ng water, ng tide, high tide, low tide, up and down, ang current, diba? Eventually, minsan malakas ang flow, diba? Yung current. Depende yan. It could also be calm. So, parang unpredictable. So, ang sinasabi dito, guys, no, the fact nandiyan ang Chariot, check in ang emotion. I-check in mo yung emotion mo. Kailangan kontrolin mo. Kailangan balance. Kasi pag lumabas ang Chariot dyan, controlled mo yan. May dalawa ka dito, binabalance mo tong dalawang sphinx na yan, no, dito sa tarot na to, yung Chariot mo, yung kalesa mo or whatever na sakay mo, inihila ng dalawang yun, so dapat balanse ka. Kahit sumakay ka ng bisikleta, dapat balanse ka. So yun ang sinasabi dito, manage your emotion, i-rain check mo, okay? Yung expectations mo emotionally, i-manage mo yan. Hindi pwede na i-wear mo yung emotions mo on your sleeve, yung pinapakita mo na disappointed tayo or sobra tayong heartbreak dito na parang we can't do anything at all kasi hindi natin nakokontrol. Kinokontrol tayo ng emotion, hindi natin nakokontrol ang emotion. So, sinasabi dito, learn to control it. Okay? Ngayon, sa position, no, walang position to. Yung Hierophant mo in Earth, ito nga, yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, medyo nasa-challenge ka about this connection related sa religion, sa belief system, sa culture, sa moral compass mo, no? Okay? So, make sure lang, sinasabi ito, since nandiyan si Earth, no, kailangan grounded, no? Kailangan may stability and security, may assurance ka, may commitment tayong pinanghahawakan. Yun yung challenge ng person mo sa'yo or ng connection na to. That's why, I felt strongly na medyo, nag-build up tong, lessons na to or perspective na to sa'yo for over time na kailangan mong mag-reflect, okay? Whether may lesson dito na dapat matutunan, is yung relationship or connection ba to, kailangan, is it nurturing you? Is it growing? You know, these things, no, na kailangan mo ng perspective about it in 3D, in reality, no? Maging practical tayo. Tignan mo sa practical way to. Not on your emotion. Huwag ka mag-operate sa emotion dito kasi if it's out of control, no, kailangan mong balansehin mo yung heart chakra mo dyan. And at the same time, yung Earth naman is that, sinasabi dito, tignan mo to in a more practical and pragmatic way. Okay? Yung connection na to. Okay? See it for what it is. For what it really is. Yun ang ibig sabihin dyan. Now, ang Knight of Wands na to, like I said, nagpa-fluctuate yung energy, diba? So, kailangan mong patawarin tong person na to. Nandiyan yung forgiveness dun sa unang card at position 1 na kailangan mong i-release. Maybe, yung kailangan mong specific person is yun yung exactly kailangan mong patawarin. Okay, patawarin mo sila na ganun sila. Na hindi nag-match up yung energy nila sa'yo. We cannot fix people. Remember that. You surrender sa universe na you cannot fix people. Sila mismo kailangan magbago. Okay, do not chase them. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Ito, chaser ito. Okay? Chaser, tas aalis na naman. Chaser, aalis na naman. So, parang binibreadcrumb ka. Pagkatawarin mo siya, yun ang sinasabi doon. Forgive this person, and then, huwag mo silang i-chase. You attract. Huwag mo silang i-chase. I don't recommend that. Kasi, ito yung energy na hindi mo mapagkakatiwalaan. The fact nandiyan ng forgiveness at kailangan mong patawarin tong taong to. Then, yun ang sinasabi dito. Okay? Sundin natin ang ina-advise sa'yo kasi this is for the highest good, para sa ikabubuti mo. So, Aquarius, no, nandiyan ang Page of Wands, and then ang humor. So, sabihin natin, yung curiosity mo, no, on things lately, no, even dito sa connection na to, or sa mga external connections mo, hinihikayat ka na, take it lightheartedly. Don't take it too seriously muna. Okay? Anything na may curiosity or flirtatious energy, okay, or anyone na mag-express sa'yo ng interest as of this time, don't take it seriously. Kasi sabihin ko sa'yo na hindi pa yan love. Okay, malayo pa. Kasi page of wands yan. Hindi nga to page of cups pa eh. Hindi din siya knight of cups. Nandiyan si knight of wands. Medyo delikado, no? Kasi knight of cups so much better pa. Yung emotion na makukuha mo sa knight of cups. Meaning, interesado sila sa'yo in a romantic way. But this, take it as, as casually as possible muna. Okay, yun yung ina-advise sa'yo. And then, kasi masyado nang na-deplete, masyado nang mahirap. I felt strongly current or old flame to, no? Kasi nandiyan ang forgiveness, nandiyan si 9 of wands. So, you've been through a lot then in general pagdating sa romantic journey mo, sa love life mo, okay? And ang sinasabi dito, something will be revealed to you about dun sa struggle mo and hardships eventually when it comes to finding love or trying to connect to people in a romantic way or in a soulmate level. Okay, it will be revealed to you over time. Bakit kailangan mong dumaan sa ganyan? Parang naririnig ko yung song na God Bless the Broken Road. Kasi yung song na yun ni Rascal Flatts, pakinggan nyo yun. Parang perfect dito sa cards na to kasi I set out on a narrow way many years ago, hoping I will find true love along the broken road. But I've got a loss a time or two, wipe my brows, keep pushing through. I couldn't see how every sign pointing straight to you. So something will be revealed to you sa lahat ng mga sabihin natin relationships na hindi nag-work out. Alright? So that's what I have for you, collective. Current energy check-in ngayong buwan ng March all the way to the next 3 to 6 months. Okay? Take care. Sana nag-resonate sa inyo to. God bless. And I'll see you guys on your next month reading. Mahal ko kayo. Bye!